This trading strategy will change how you trade. And this is the exact strategy that I teach my members and students in Playmaker University. And this is the exact strategy that gave us in the advanced play signal room at 80% win rate last week and 95% win rate last month. And of course, for all the naysayers, all you gotta do is hit that first link in the description and join the free signal room free Telegram. You see right here, June 15th, you see we went 4-1 last week, and then we scroll to the beginning of the month. You can see how we ended May before we got into June. So we go to June 2nd, and you can see right here, we went 19-1 last month, gives a 95% win rate. Literally everything's dated, timed, and documented. At the beginning of every week, we do the Sunday chart analysis, going over what we see price doing throughout the entire week. We go live every day, London session 3 and EST on YouTube. You see us in the links out. And you see I do recap the day at the end of every day, recap the week at the end of every week, and recap the month at the end of every month. You go to where it says subscribers, you go down to photos, and you can see there's over 1,600 photos, 3 years worth of receipts with screenshots of positions, student results, testimonials, screenshots of signals. Literally all the proof is right here. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check that out. Again, you see we're all the way in 2024. Nothing's changed. Let me pull some of these screenshots up for y'all. Shout out to the members and students, y'all. Right, just joined the advanced play signal. My first trade's already going as projected. Thank you, man. We got people getting funded. We got people getting payouts. We got people trading on personal accounts. We really do this over here. They can say what you want. You got the sauce. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Then we got more people getting funded, all that good stuff. There's receipts all over the place, right? So this trade we're going to be breaking down today is going to be this NAS 100 setup. Not only did I break down and give projections during the beginning of the day during London session, but me and the members hopped in this trade as well. You can see this was a beautiful 1 to 2 RR. So that means whatever you would have risked, you would have made 2 times that amount. So you would have risked $1,000, you would have made $2,000. If you would have risked $100, you would have made $200 off this one trade alone. In this video, I want to break down why we went for this buy setup and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So the first thing I always tell the members and students you need to do is you need to identify the trend. Now, you don't just want to identify the trend on any time frame. You need to identify the trend on the bigger time frame. Now, again, we're just identifying the trend on the bigger time frame. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot try to identify the trend on the same time frame you're looking for entries on setups for. The reason why is because the bigger time frames explain what price has been doing, the direction it's going. The smaller time frame just shows you what price is doing at that exact moment. All right, both are important, but used for two completely different things. So we're looking at NAS 100 on the bigger time frames, and we see that there's clear bullish momentum, and we see there's clear higher highs getting made. So since we're in the uptrend, again, trading is all about going for high probability, high quality setups. So since we're in an uptrend, we only want to look for buys. Just like if we was in a downtrend, I would only want to look for sells. Right? It's very, very, very simple. What I teach the members and students of Playmaker University is not to chase price, but follow the flow of price. So since we're in the uptrend, not only do we need to know we're in the uptrend, I go a step further and we pull out the price action and technical analysis playbook. Price action and technical analysis playbook, it works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. Now, I give this book away for free in Playmaker University, or you can get this book separately. So when we go to the table of content and we go to the rules of the uptrend, it says right here, in order for the uptrend to continue, we need to break past the previous high, which gives us a new higher high. Look at photo below. We also have to respect the support level the higher low is resting on. So just like the playbook said, in order for the uptrend to continue, we need to break this resistance level. All right, let's get rid of this. We got to break this resistance level and treat it as support, but we also have to respect the support level the higher low is chilling on, right? So again, we're either going to look for buys and we can hold this low as a resistance and turn from resistance to support, or if price will retrace and hold this low as support, we can go for buys there. So now that we know what trend we're in, now that we know what part of the trend we're in and what needs to happen for the uptrend to continue and still be valid, the book also goes over what needs to happen for the downtrend to come into play. This is now when we mark off our key price levels. Boom, we got our key price levels marked off. So now that we got our key price levels marked off, this is when we hop onto the smaller time frame to wait for our confirmations and look for our entry. So again, Not only do you want to go for buys because we're in an uptrend, we also want to enter buys off of support. So this was during Tokyo session. So we're going to fast forward because we didn't trade until London session. So when we fast forward to London session, we want to look for buys here, right? We want to see if price could hold this low as support. We see price rejected this level. So again, we're not chasing price. We want to go for high probability, high quality setups. So at this point, if price holds this low as support, I'm gonna go for buys. Or if it breaks below, holds a low as resistance, then I would go for sell. So again, trading is a patience game. You have to let price come to you. Do not FOMO and rush the setup. I promise you, just patiently wait for your setup to come to you. You will win more trades than if you just go for anything and everything. So again, we know what the game plan is. So now we're just gonna patiently wait to see which one of the two things price does. So as we fast forward, we see price respected and held as low as support, which is again why we don't want to chase price with all the flow of price. So now I want to see if price can hold this low as support. So you saw that I called the signal out for the members in Advanced Play Signal Room. But like I said, we also have the Playmaker University where I don't just give you signals, I actually teach you my exact trading strategy. So let me show you that room. So as you can see, we're in the Playmaker University chat, and then we scroll down to June 12th. You see here, 9:56 a.m. I sent 3 screenshots saying setups I'm looking for today. And then we go to NAS 100. You can see that same volume candlestick. Then you can see this push to the upside. And I said, if we can retest to hold this low as support, we're pulling the trigger and we're jumping into buys. So then when we go back to our chart right here and hit the play button, you can see that volume candlestick kicking right here. So after that volume candlestick kicked in, again, we waited to see if the price would retest. We got that beautiful retest, and then it exploded to the upside. And it's literally that simple, y'all. Wait for price to show you is ready to make that move. Go for the highest probability setup. Enter buys off support, sells off resistance, and most importantly, follow the flow of price, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my exact trading strategy and community in Playmaker University, click those links in the description. But before you make this decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. If you're interested in taking your trading to the next level and learning directly from me, join Playmaker University, or I recommend scheduling a one-on-one session where profitable traders and confident traders are made. Not only are you going to get my complete strategy in video format, going over how to read the charts, how to identify my key price levels, those blue and gold lines y'all stay asking me in the comment section, how to enter and exit trades, how to trade moves, my scalping strategy, my secret buy and sell limit strategy, trading psychology, how to deal with wins and losses, how to scale into trades, how to never blow your account again, how to double your account every month. But you will also get daily analysis setups for life, student member group chat, daily trade recaps for life, exclusive New York Lives and trading plan Zooms, and y'all gonna get my famous price action technical analysis playbook that works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. And on top of that, you're going to get the trader's mindset, mastering psychology and risk management playbook that goes over leveraging risk, mastering discipline, how to never blow your account again, learn how to trust yourself while staying cool, calm, and collected. This is what helped one of my students turn $4, as you can see, yes, to $275. That is not Photoshop. You can see he's saying right here, I followed the playbook through a Hail Mary. Shout out for all you do. This is why I always say follow the flow price, not chase price. His last dollars, he was damn near, he basically blew his account. And because he followed my teachings, trusted the playbook, he was able to turn a $4 account to almost $300 account. It's literally that simple, y'all. I made all the mistakes, so you don't have to make the mistakes. Instead, just learn from my mistakes and be successful quicker. So if you're interested in learning how to consistently not only grow your accounts, but consistent $500 to $1,000 days, click that first link in the description, watch the free trading crash course. Or if you already know you're ready to get in and lock in with me, click the link to go join Playmaker University or the one-on-one sessions, and I'll see you on the other side. Shout out to the Playmakers, man. Now, Advanced Play Signal, we literally just had a 100% win rate last week, and this is the exact same strategy I teach in the one-on-one sessions and in Playmaker University that averages not just a 90% win rate on a weekly basis, but also on a monthly and quarterly basis as well. You see right here, 16-1, 94% win rate. You see here, another 100% win rate on the week. We go to a whole nother month. You see here how we ended quarter 1 this year, 44-5, giving us a 90% win rate, 17-3 January, 14-1 February, March 13-1. And if we go to how we ended last year, 2024, we literally went 181 wins, 23 losses, averaging an 89% win rate all 12 months combined, averaging less than 2 losses per month. You're not gonna find any other mentorship or signaling service that does stuff like this. And not only do I call accurate signals, but I give you my entry, my SLs, my TPs. I notify you when the TPs get hit. I give y'all updates in the trades, and I drop a New York price watch list showing y'all what price is doing in that trade we're in, as well as what to expect and anticipate going into New York session, as well as other possible setups going into New York session. I go over where you should look for buys or sells. I go over specific price points and all of that good stuff, y'all. And you'll also get the advanced play signaling for completely free when you sign up and apply for one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, I make sure you earn while you learn. So not only do I teach my exact same strategy on a Zoom call on the charts just like this, but you get one session a week. Each session is an hour long, recorded and sent to you the same day. Those recordings are yours to keep for life, y'all. So you definitely get a huge return on investment, as well as you get access to the student member group chat and the advanced play signal room. So be interested in your trading to the next level. You know exactly what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. If you want to contact me directly, you can DM me on Instagram, TikTok, or Telegram. I respond to all messages. See y'all in the university, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. We out.